I actually started Forex about 2 years ago. I learned the basics. I learned candlesticks. I learned trend lines, support and resistance, and Fibonacci retracements. And the problem was is I didn't really have a strategy. I didn't know when to jump in. I didn't know when to pull out of a trade. I didn't know how much to risk, and I was actually blowing my account. And so I actually stopped until a couple months ago when my little brother actually introduced me to IML, and we went to Dr. K's conference, learned the cloud, and then Philip did his session 2, part 1 about the cloud. And within 15 minutes, because I knew the basics and I knew exactly what he was talking about, I knew how to jump in a trade, when to enter, when to pull out, how much to risk, look at a trade and actually see if I even want to be in the trade, look at the time frames and confirm all time frames, when to jump in the trade and when to pull out. And since then, I've been making money, and I owe it all to him.